Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in the SofaScore app on an Android phone. If you're new to SofaScore or just want to personalize your account with a new image, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. First, open the SofaScore app on your Android device. Make sure you are in the Profile section by tapping the profile icon at the bottom. At the top right corner, tap the Settings icon to access app settings. After that, select Edit Profile from the menu options. Now, tap on Change Profile Picture. From here, select a new image from your phone's gallery. Finally, once you've chosen your picture, click Save at the top right corner to confirm your changes. And that's it! Now, your SofaScore profile looks just the way you want it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on the channel.